Hello, everyone. It is Erin Flutter here, and I am here setting up my business traveler's notebook for the month of December. This is a kit that I never ended up releasing in my shop. I basically designed it and put it out into the world as part of a annual bundle, but never ended up releasing it individually. So this is a Harry Potter Christmas kit. So these are things that happened around Christmas while in the Harry Potter movies and books. So you can see there's like some Luna Lovegood. There's a bunch of candles. There's just kind of a lot when it comes to like Christmas and the holidays in Harry Potter. So I made a kit out of it, and like I said, never ended up releasing it. So I thought I would bring this back just because I'm feeling very Christmassy this year. So I have my normal monthly log and master task list over here. And then I'm going to put down Hagrid carrying the tree into the Great Hall and cut it off so it goes across two different pages. When I made this kit, I didn't have a lot of the elements that I do nowadays, like finances and things like that. So I did create a second page where I just lettered some of the washi strips and some of these extra bits and pieces like finances, income, and expenses, just so that it meets my needs. I'm not sure if I'll ever release this kit. If you guys are interested, please let me know in the comments below. um, I just it seems like a lot of work to do that. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm sorry, by the way, that I've been very absent. It's just working on Black Friday orders. Basically, I have this kind of feeling where I feel guilty if I'm not working on this stuff 100% of the time. So at least when it comes to business stuff. So I don't like to post videos and things like that. I have been taking care of myself personally. If you guys have seen me on Instagram, I've been going to the gym a lot and making sure that I'm taking care of myself mentally and physically, because I ordinarily do not do that. And it has been kind of very life changing this year, actually taking care of myself while I'm doing all of this. So it's definitely um, it's definitely been better than it has been in the past. But I do want to apologize for not having videos up and things like that, just because, I, like I said, when I get all these orders in, it's like kind of a rush, and I'm also doing my Patreon rewards right now, so it's a lot to take in and it's a lot to do. So I just put kind of everything else on the back burner. So that's why there hasn't been a lot of videos coming out from me. I'm tired. It's the end of the year. I think most of you know how this goes, when, especially for business owners that are very busy at the end of the year and then just kind of fall flat on their face. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, but it's okay. If you are interested, by the way, the December kit for my patrons is going to be a Winter Wonderland theme. So I will leave a link down below. I have not started designing it yet because things are insane, as I mentioned. So I haven't been designing much of anything because I'm just trying to get through these orders. But it's okay. So I'm setting up monthly goals. These goals are going to be very, very simple. It's going to be more like finish all the orders, shut down the shop, and get all the 2022 prep videos out. So I have not started filming or setting up or designing anything for my 2022 notebooks. I think the one that I have done is my business traveler's notebook setup, because it was very, very simple. But my B5 notebook, I haven't tried. There, there's just so much to do, y'all. Oh my God. The end of the year is really, really tough. But I hope everyone else is doing well and able to spend a little bit more time relaxing. One of these days I'll be able to do that. Probably the week of Christmas, and that's about it. But it'll be nice to get some time to relax at the end of the year. I don't ordinarily get to do that as a business owner, and I think a lot of other business owners know that as well. I do have a new release coming up on December 10th. I think that's that Friday. Let's look. I don't know. December 10th? Yeah, December 10th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Definitely check out my Instagram stories because I am putting links to my affiliates. They have a discount code and they get a commission when you purchase through their links, and it helps them. It helps me. It's a everyone benefits from that situation. So definitely check out my Instagram stories when I start posting all of the affiliate information. So this page you can't really see, but it says business taxes for 2021. It's something that I have to do in January is, get all the expenses together, get all of the shipping costs together, the profits, all that kind of stuff, put it together into my business taxes. I'm really not looking forward to taxes this year. I think it's going to be a little bit complicated. But overall, I don't think we'll see. hopefully it won't be as terrible as it is in my head currently. And then last but not least, well, first of all, I have a little Luna quote page over there. And then I have a section for my YouTube videos, which I already mentioned. Obviously, I have not been posting a lot of YouTube videos, but I do need to post them for 2022, which is going to be most of my videos in December is going to be 2022 prep. So, if you are interested in that, definitely subscribe because I think I have like 5 different videos coming out for 2022 prep. I have my main notebook getting posted. I have my business travelers notebook getting posted. I have my wellness planner getting posted. I have annual goals and quarterly goals getting posted. So yeah, there's like 5 different 2022 videos that are coming out, and hopefully all those videos can help you when it comes to setting up for your notebooks. So definitely subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to kind of give you an update on what's going on and also release something out into the world, and this one seemed like the easiest. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.